Zim, zam, shabam!
Look at all those cute little beehives! Hi guys, we have these funny little beehives right here we're gonna play with today.
Hi little earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. Here are some special bees to put in your beehives. Zim, zam, shabam!
Look at all those cute little beehives! We have our fun little picker-uppers right here. Let's take them all down. Whoops. Okay, now look. Whoops, dropped that one. Okay, we have this fun little red bee right here. And we're gonna put him in this little red beehive, and see what happens. Did you see what happened? Our bee turned into Marshall. And Marshall wears red, so it all works out. That is really funny. So let's get a red gumball put in here so we can stand Marshall up. There. Look at Marshall. We gotta do that again. Let's see, what color should we do next? How about, whoops, this one right here. Yellow. Let's put a yellow bee in the yellow hive. What's gonna come out? Oh, look, we got Rubble out. And Rubble wears yellow. So let's get our yellow gumball and stick in there with Rubble. Nice. Okay, what color's next? How about, let's do an orange bee. Let's see what's in there. And what did we get out of our orange beehive? We got Zuma! Except look, this one's so funny. It's squishy and it has a little keychain holder and it's a flashlight! And look, it has a blue flashlight. That's a funny little surprise. That one's special. Let's get our orange gumball and stick right there with Zuma. Okay, let's do our next one. Let's do our green bee next. Boop! And out of our green beehive, we found Rocky. He's wearing green too. And here's our green gumball. Now, we only have 2 colors left. So now let's do our purple bee. Okay, look, we found Sky. And she wears pink, but she likes purple too. And let's use a pink gumball in there with Sky. All right, we only have 1 more bee left, and this one's Chase. Well, you can't really see, but we got Chase out of there, just like I said. And Chase wears blue. And our blue gumball. And there we go, look, we got all of our Paw Patrol out of these. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay.
That's it for this story, you guys. But now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! What just happened to your ball, Chase? I rolled it away, and then this came back. Hi guys, look who we have to play with today. It's me, Chase, and we're going on a fun adventure.
Hi little earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian, and we are going to take Chase on a little adventure and a walk. Let's go!
Okay, Chase, let's put you in your carrier. But first, we need to put in your dish, your food and water dish, your ball to play with, and your comb. So now get in there. There we go. Now let's take Chase off. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, we're here, Chase. So let's get Chase out. Let's get his food, comb, and ball out, and let's turn on his dog carrier.
1, 2, 3, and closed.
Okay, let's get started.
Are we going somewhere exciting today? Knock, 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 knock. Let's go for a walk. Tick-tock, tick-tock, I'm ready to run, play, and talk. Hooray!
Okay, let's start by pushing these buttons. What about this one?
This is my water.
There's Chase's water. What about this one?
This is my ball.
Here, Chase, play with your ball. Woohoo! Woohoo! Whoops! Whoa! 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 What just happened to your ball, Chase? I rolled it away, and then this came back. What is that? Should we open it? This is a super sparkly orange egg. What's inside? What is that? It's a funny little finger puppet. But it's a little monster. That's funny, Chase. You have a funny little egg. Okay, now let's roll this egg back. Whoop. And you got your own normal ball back. That was fun. Okay, but we need to press our next button.
This is my comb.
This is his comb. So let's do a little brushing on Chase. Oh yeah, my ear. Oh, it feels so good on my ear. There's your combing. Let's do our next button. That's his bone.
This is snack. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I'm a happy puppy.
Let's see what all we can do with all of these buttons.
I can run fast.
Whoa, 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 whoa! I can run so fast! Whoa, 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 whoa! What's next?
Bouncy ball is fun to play with.
Bouncy ball. Boing, boing.
I like singing.
Good job, Chase.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Orange star. Blue square. Green circle. Pink heart.
These are so fun.
I'd like to be combed. Can you find my comb?
Here's your comb. Comb, 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 comb.
I'm thirsty. Can you find my water?
Here's your water.
It's snack time. Can you find my bone?
There's your bone. Okay, you guys. I think we should end on a song and then go home.
1, 2, 3. Then comes 4. Join me to learn about numbers, shapes, and more.
There we go.
Are you ready to play something?
Now let's put everything back in our dog carrier. And let's not forget our funny surprise. Whoop. There's Chase. All right, here we go. Woo!
Okay, you guys. That's it for our fun story with Chase in our carrier. But now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.